Alrighty, we got forks finished up. Almost knocked the tire over. Forks now have 30 weight fork oil in them, so that is much better. Also, not sure why, but the fluid that came out was like really metallic. So not sure what's going on there, but had it 6 months. Anyways, check your fork oil. Also, one was very low as well. But now we got, so this is the steering stop that I ripped off while going up a hill climb. And this is the other one that's currently attempting to rip off. So Jake, what are we going to do real quick?
So obviously that's not good. What we're going to do today is do some at-home jerry rigging here. I'm going to drill out this hole here where these go. Basically put that right there in place. And that's going to go all the way through the triple clamp here. And I'll put a nut on the backside just for a little safety, and that's going to be the new steering stop. And it's going to be steel this time, so